Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, October 18th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the Dow had a great day today. I said that it might have trouble here with this 23,000 level, and you could see it had no trouble today. It gapped right through it this morning and still had power to move higher. Fundamentally, I think it's because it looks like this tax reform bill is not going to have any trouble, and this will definitely boost the economy, no question about it. The Dow ended up closing at 23,157. That's pretty darn unbelievable. Unfortunately, this didn't help us. We had another lousy day. We ended up closing out 5 positions with negative $3,500 in closed out trades. We got into only 2 new positions, which was kind of strange, and neither of those were positive. 2 were negative, and we're carrying negative $750 going into tomorrow. So, it wasn't a huge losing day, but it's just nothing happening very good. And what I'm kind of looking at this now, I'm thinking maybe it's time to revise the portfolio, because obviously there are some stocks that are doing well with this huge rally we've seen in the Dow, but it's not our stocks that are doing well. So I'm going to be looking at that and probably do a portfolio revision here pretty soon. I will show you just a couple stocks that were okay today. Well, no, one that was okay. This is Helcon Resources, HK, and we had bought this yesterday about second hour. It closed in our favor, and then it popped up very nicely for our exit this morning. Got out just about as good as we would expect, and we closed out $2,000 there in Helcon Resources. But unfortunately we had one really lousy trade, and I'll show you that too, because the bad goes with the good. This is Synchronos Technologies. I'll tell you, this stock is almost too volatile for my blood. We've had a huge win in here with this stock, but we've also had, I think, the biggest loss I've had in a couple years with this too. So and today was not that big, but it was still big. Yesterday we bought this thing. We had this big gap, and we actually got a nice pullback to get into it, but it just didn't go. All it did was continue, not only filled the gap, but it went even lower yesterday, and this morning it opened even lower yet. As a result, we lost $7,000 in SNCR. Not a good stock at all, at least for us today. Anyway, those are the breaks. Trading's tough. This is Trade Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.